quadripartite summit that brought together DRC.
I also condemn, in the strongest possible terms, the attack earlier today on the various embassy premises and personnel in Kinshasa, DRC, including the Kenyan embassy, by marauding protesters. This is a serious breach of international law as enshrined in the Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations, 1961. We call on the authorities in DRC to expeditiously investigate these violations and take appropriate actions. I say so, Mr. Chairman, because it is evident in certain areas that as they were looting, there were security agencies just standing by, seeming to abate the process of destruction. The principle of inviolability of diplomatic and consular premises is sacrosanct and must be respected in all cases under international law, including during armed conflict. States have an obligation to take appropriate steps to protect diplomatic and consular premises against any intrusion or damage, and to prevent any disturbance of peace of diplomatic and consular posts or impairment of their dignity. Indeed, I have conveyed my concerns to Madame Wagner, the Minister for Foreign Affairs of DRC, on this matter.
Wanda, EAC, ECAS, SADC, Excellencies, we ask that your council considers rapid.
In April 2022, the PSC talking about the M20